Hello lovely people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about the Big Bang Theory. So basically, I've just watched a video from National Geographic about the origins of the universe, and the narrator actually mentioned about one thing that intrigued me a lot about the Big Bang Theory. So I decided to go up to the internet as soon as I finished watching the video to go in depth or to have a better understanding about the Big Bang Theory, about what it is, how it all started the universe. So I've just encountered a website that having a very clear explanation about the Big Bang Theory. It is from NASA Space Place or something like that. Well, you just need to understand that it's from NASA. Alright, so let's start with the definitions of the Big Bang Theory. According to this website, the Big Bang is how astronomers explain the way the universe began. So you have to bear in mind that there is a lot of hypotheses about how the universe began. But one of the most widely accepted explanations between scientists and researchers is the Big Bang Theory. So it is the idea that the universe began as just a single, infinite, and very small point, just like a few inches or a few millimeters. Then it's expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now. So you just need to imagine how enormous the universe is. It is the size also of our universe, and it is still stretching surprisingly. So what this Big Bang all about? So a person who discovered the Big Bang Theory in 1927, an astronomer named Georges Lemaitre, maybe I pronounced this name wrong, but anyway, had a big idea. He said a very long time ago, the universe started as just a single infinite point. He said the universe stretched and expanded to get as big as it is right now, and that it could keep on stretching. So, some more information about the Big Bang Theory I want to provide you with is just 2 years later, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that other galaxies were moving away from us, and that's not all. The farthest galaxies were moving faster than the ones close to us. So what does that mean? This means that the universe was still expanding. Just like Lemaitre thought, if things were moving apart, it meant that long ago, everything had been close together, right? Everything we can see in our universe today, from stars, planets, comets, or asteroids, they weren't there at the beginning. Where did they come from? Here, the Big Bang Theory comes with us, a tiny, hot beginning. When the universe began, around 13.8 billion years ago, also the age of our universe, it was just a hot, tiny particles mixed with light and energy. It was nothing like what we see now. As everything expanded and took up more space, it gradually cooled down. The tiny particles grouped together. They formed atoms. I think that it is like chemical elements. And then those atoms group together over lots of time. Atoms come together to form stars and galaxies. That's right. The first stars created bigger atoms and groups of atoms that led to more stars being born. And now an estimate I've just read along a few weeks ago that the number of stars are as big as our planets. At the same time, galaxies were crashing and grouping together as new stars were being born and dying. Then things like asteroids, comets, planets, and even black holes formed. A super long time. So as I've mentioned earlier in this video, how long did all of this take? Well, we know that the universe is 13.8 billion years old. That is a very long time. We can imagine how long it is, right? So what's in the name? That's pretty much how the universe began. Very easy, right? Because it got so big and led to such great things. Some people the Big Bang and led to such great things. Some people call it the Big Bang, right? Now you understand why people decided to choose the name Big Bang for the theory. But maybe a better name would be the Everywhere Stretch. What do you think? Please comment down below your thought. And I'll see you tomorrow with a more intriguing questions and the craziest ideas. Bye bye.